Today I'm going to show you how I made the window coverings for my car. As you can see, even though I have very dark tint on my windows, I was concerned about anyone being able to look into my car at night with a flashlight while I'm sleeping, or if I was inside my car at night using a light or my phone. I was worried that could be seen from the outside of my car while trying to stealth camp in the city. First, I went to the dollar store and purchased black foam poster board. This is the thicker poster board. Some stores may only carry white, but I thought black would blend in better. The foam board is what I use for my window coverings. But before I cut the poster board to the correct size, I took a large piece of paper, like an old newspaper, to draw a stencil of the size of the window. I did this first to make sure I cut the foam poster board to fit my window properly. With the stencil, I had the correct shape for the window covering. In my car, the frame of the window held the foam poster board in place. I did not need to use any tape or anything. All in all, this is a very affordable option. If you'd like me to make a video about other methods I tried before the foam poster board, leave a comment on this video. Let's just say I tried a few things that failed before I found a solution that worked for me.